It's such a bummer to get ready to start your embroidery project only to find out that you're missing one of the key colors. And that has happened to me on more than one occasion. So I wanted to pick up a set of embroidery threads so that that wouldn't happen to me again. And luckily enough, Richword sent me this 40-piece collection, and I think it's an excellent starter set. It comes with this key card that lets you know all of the colors that come in the set, and I'll pull this out and show you what's included. First off, they come really nicely packaged, and if you want to keep the box as your storage container, that's a good idea and a nice option. Or if you want to take them all out and store them on a embroidery rack or something like that so that you can see all of the colors at once, that's a great option too. But if you wanted to save space, this box is nice and sturdy and you can keep it in there. And as you can see, they give you a really nice range of colors. I like to organize mine by shades so that I can see exactly what I have. It doesn't come like that, but it's easy to pull them out and organize them by shade so that you see what you have. And that way you can see what you're working with in terms of your projects. They do have a nice range of browns and beiges, so I think that would be good for if you're doing something that involves skin tones. You have a whole collection there already. This is what the thread looks like up close. And in person, it actually has a really nice sheen. I'm really impressed by the sheen that it has, and I think that's going to look really good on my projects. Now the thread is kind of tucked in there, so it does take a little bit to get it started. But I'm just pulling it out so that you can see the thread. And this is just what it looks like relative to other spools. So it's a good size amount. You get a lot of thread in this size. So all in all, I think this is a really good value for the price. You get a whole array of colors, so you can pretty much start any project. And they are really beautiful colors. I don't know if it's coming through video, but these colors are so bright and vibrant. I'm really excited to dig into them and use all of them.